Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Divi Builder plugin. In fact, there's a difference between the Divi Builder theme and the Divi Builder plugin. So today we're mainly focusing on the actual plugin. So what you want to do is to first, of course, purchase Divi. And if you do so using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my Divi Blueprint course, which teaches you how to design professional looking websites using Divi. The link to that is in the description below. Okay, so let's say you've purchased Divi. What you want to do next over here is to go to your account and go to your downloads. All right, so over here we have two options. We have the Divi theme and the Divi Builder plugin. So the Divi theme here comes in with the plugin itself or merged into one package. So this is why it's the Divi theme. Now, when you take a look here at the plugin, this is just the plugin that works separately, which means you can actually use your own theme alongside with the Divi Builder plugin. Now, there are several cases where you may want to do this, and let's say you have your favorite theme, and there's a few out there that are really popular. There's the Astra theme, there's Ocean WP, and Generate Press. Now, these that I've just mentioned come with their own features. So it may be that you have some features from those themes that you don't want to let go, but also have the benefit of using the Divi Builder. So this is where you can come in and download the Divi Builder plugin. Okay, so how it works is you download the plugin, and then over here, when we take a look at our website, we can see that this is a basic website. In fact, I can just open it here. It's running the default theme that comes with WordPress, but in this case, I am going to download Astra theme. That's my favorite. So I'm going to come over here to Appearance, click on Themes, and then over here, we're going to search for the theme. So I'm going to click here on Add New, and then I'm going to search for Astra. And by the way, the basic Astra theme is absolutely free, so you can go ahead and download it, give it a try. So I'm going to click here on Install. Okay, so now it's installed. All I have to do now is to activate. Okay, so now my Astra theme has been activated. Now back over here on my admin dashboard, if you click on download, it downloads onto your own computer. Now over here, you can see I've already downloaded it. And this is the plugin, by the way. Now over here now, all I have to do is to go to my plugins and then click on add new. So I'm going to click on upload since we've downloaded onto our computer. So I'm going to click choose file, go to my downloads folder, and then double click on the Divi Builder plugin. Click install. So now my Divi Builder plugin is now being installed alongside with my favorite theme. So there are situations where you may want to do this. In my specific case, there was a time where I was building my own e-learning website, and I had to use the features that came with the Astra theme because it has better customizations with LearnDash, which Divi did not provide. So this is where I had to use this structure that I'm showing you today, where I downloaded the Astra theme in conjunction with the Divi Builder. Okay, so now this has been installed. I'm going to click on Activate Plugin. Right, so it looks like all is set. Now let me show you what happens now when we first take a look at our website. So I'm just going to get rid of this URL here. So now this is our website. It looks very plain and basic, but trust me, there are quite a lot of features when you go into the actual theme. Okay, so I'm going to click here on Dashboard, and let's create a brand new page. So if I come over here and click Add New, so let's give this page a name. So I'm just going to say New Page. Right, so here I'm going to click on Use Divi Builder, and you'll notice that the way things look here are pretty much the same. We have this introduction here, so I can just go ahead and click on Start Building, and we have those three options. So I can either build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, and clone existing page. So in this case, I'm just going to build from scratch, and notice that I can go in and start building now. So if I click here on a single column, I can actually add all my modules. So here, I'm just going to go in and add a video. So there's a few things that you don't normally see here when you're used to using the Divi Builder, and that is snapping this over to the left, because this is a feature that comes with the Divi theme. So that's why I can't snap this to the left. Okay, so here we can go in and do everything else. You know, if I come over here to design, you can play icon, we can change the color, we can go into the overlay, change overlay colors. So pretty much all the features of the builder that you have, that you're used to from the Divi theme is also here. So I'm just going to close this. Now, there's one thing that you notice here. You notice that your page is not full width by default. So this is where you go into the theme options and make those changes. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to save this page here and show you how you can customize that. So back over here, I'll just click on edit page. So now over here on the sidebar, I have all these options which I can play around with to customize my design. So let's say, for example, here on the sidebar, I don't want to have a sidebar. I can just click on no sidebar. And then on the content layout, I can just come in specifically here and say full width contained or full width stretched. So if you want to have the look that comes with the Divi Builder, you go on with the full width stretched. And now if I update this and view the page, you'll notice that this would have changed. Now it has a full width. Okay. So if I go into the builder now, I can now go in and add, let's say, a background color here. So let's go with black. Okay, so now we can see this is working like the Divi Builder itself. So there are also other features here, like for example, if I need to remove the page title, I can remove that. And over here on the top, I can customize this using Astra's custom settings. So let's go back into our page here. So I'm going to click on edit page, save and exit. So again here, you can see I can disable the title by just activating here. I can disable the footer just by clicking here. I can also disable the breadcrumb. So these settings here come by default with the Astra theme. And over here on customize a setting, I can enable it. I can also disable it here. But this is on a page-to-page basis. But this may take long if you're designing a website which requires quite a lot of pages. So in order for you to go in and fix that problem, in fact, let's just do a quick preview now that I've disabled that page title. So I'm going to open this in a new tab, and you can see now that this really looks nice. It's pretty much similar with what we have with the Divi theme. Okay, so back over here now, if you want to make customizations to the actual theme, you can come over here to Astra options, and then you can just do your global settings. So as you can see here, we have logos. You can upload your logo here. You can customize your fonts. We also have header options, footer settings. Over here, we have colors and background, typography. So these are the global settings. So once you go in here, you can set all your global settings, which you want to apply to all the pages on your website. And then if you want to go in and add the sidebar individually on specific pages, you can also go in and do that. And here we see that this is where we have that option that I was talking about, where if you're creating an e-learning website, we have LearnDash and Lifter LMS integration. And this is something that Divi does not provide right from the get-go. All right, guys, so this is how you use the Divi Builder plugin. So go ahead, try it out. If you really want to use the Divi Builder plugin, but you want to use your own theme, this is the best way to do it. And also, don't forget, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I'll give you access to the Divi Blueprint course, which teaches you how to build websites using WordPress and Divi. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.